Welcome back to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth reviews on upcoming new cars in the USA. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a model that continues to be one of the most beloved compact SUVs on the market. With its blend of refined styling, engaging drive interior, the CX-5 remains a top choice for those who want a balance of performance and luxury without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll cover every aspect of this vehicle, from its striking exterior design to the detailed features inside the cabin, performance upgrades, pricing details, and everything in between. So, if you're considering the 2025 Mazda CX-5 or simply want to know what's new, stay tuned until the end. Now, let's get started. Exterior. Mazda has a reputation for creating some of the most visually appealing vehicles in its segment, and the 2025 CX-5 is no exception. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and sculpted front fascia. Mazda has given the CX-5 a refined front grille, now featuring a sleeker mesh design with chrome or gloss black accents, depending on the trim level. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more aggressive, with an adaptive lighting system that enhances visibility at night. The hood has subtle creases that give the front end a sportier and more sculpted look, while the lower bumper has been slightly redesigned for improved aerodynamics. Moving along to the side profile, the 2025 CX-5 maintains its elegant yet athletic stance. The character lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, giving the SUV a sense of motion, even when standing still. The side mirrors are aerodynamically shaped and now come with integrated turn signals across all trim levels. Wheel options have been updated, ranging from 17-inch alloys on the base model to 20-inch premium wheels on the top-tier trims, finished in a dark metallic shade for a more aggressive appeal. The roofline remains slightly sloped, giving the CX-5 a sporty crossover appearance without compromising rear headroom. Mazda has also refined the door handles and body cladding for a more premium look, and the available two-tone color schemes add another layer of personalization. At the rear, the 2025 CX-5 showcases a modern and sophisticated design. The taillights have been redesigned with a more angular LED signature, enhancing its road presence, especially at night. The rear bumper has also been slightly tweaked, with dual exhaust tips now standard across the lineup. A subtle roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics while adding a sporty touch. Mazda's signature badging remains centered on the tailgate, and higher trims get a hands-free power liftgate for added convenience. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Mazda CX-5 successfully blends elegance, sportness, and practicality, making it a standout option in its segment. Interior. Step inside the cabin, and you'll immediately notice Mazda's commitment to premium materials and craftsmanship. The dashboard layout remains clean and driver-focused, with an emphasis on simplicity and ease of use. Soft touch materials, genuine leather, and contrast stitching are present throughout, making the interior feel more upscale than many competitors in this class. The updated infotainment system now features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, positioned ergonomically for easy access while driving. Mazda has also improved the interface with faster response times, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a more intuitive menu structure. The driver's seat has been redesigned for enhanced comfort, offering better lumbar support and power-adjustable settings. Heated and ventilated seats are now available in more trims, while the top-tier signature model gets Napa leather upholstery with an exclusive color scheme. The steering wheel feels premium to the touch, wrapped in leather and featuring a new ergonomic design for a better grip. Mazda has also updated the digital instrument cluster, providing drivers with customizable displays that show real-time performance data, navigation, and driver assistance features. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. The second row offers generous legroom and improved seat cushioning for long-distance comfort. A panoramic sunroof is available on higher trims, allowing for a more open and airy feel inside the cabin. Rear passengers also get their own climate vents, USB-C charging ports, and optional heated seats, further enhancing overall ride comfort. Cargo space remains practical, with a spacious trunk that can be expanded by folding the rear seats flat. Mazda has also added additional underfloor storage for better organization. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to offer a choice of two engines. The standard 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder 187 horsepower and 186 lb torque, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. For those seeking more power, Mazda offers a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that cranks out up to 256 horsepower and 320 lb of torque when using premium fuel. This turbocharged option delivers impressive acceleration and makes highway merging and passing maneuvers effortless. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that has been fine-tuned for smoother gear shifts and better fuel efficiency. All-wheel drive is now standard across the lineup, ensuring improved traction and stability in various driving conditions. Mazda has also enhanced the CX-5 suspension tuning, providing a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling. The G-Vectoring Control Plus system further improves cornering dynamics by subtly adjusting engine torque and braking for more precise steering control. Fuel efficiency remains competitive, with the base engine achieving an estimated 26 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway. The turbocharged model sees slightly lower numbers, but still offers respectable fuel economy for a performance-oriented engine. Mazda's engineers have also focused on noise reduction, implementing additional sound insulation to provide a quieter and more refined driving experience. Whether you're commuting in the city or taking a road trip, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 promises a composed and enjoyable ride. Pricing. Mazda has kept pricing competitive for the 2025 CX-5, offering great value for what it delivers. The base S Select trim starts at around $29,000, which includes a solid list of standard features like all-wheel drive, an advanced infotainment system, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Moving up the lineup, the preferred trim costs around $32,000, adding features like a power-adjustable driver's seat and a sunroof. The Carbon Edition, known for its distinctive styling, sits at approximately $34,000. For those who want more luxury, the Premium and Premium Plus trims, priced between $36,000 and $38,000, offer features like ventilated front seats, upgraded audio systems, and additional driver aids. The Turbo and Turbo Signature trims, which come with the more powerful engine and top-tier materials, range from $40,000 to $44,000, depending on optional add-ons. Mazda ensures that every trim level provides excellent value, whether you prioritize style, performance, or luxury. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains a compelling choice for those looking for a compact SUV that offers style, performance, and a premium feel without the luxury price tag. With its refined exterior, thoughtfully designed interior, engaging driving dynamics, and competitive pricing, this SUV continues to be a standout in its segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a family-friendly crossover, the CX-5 delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. What do you think of the updates? Would you consider this as your next SUV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars hitting the market. Thanks for watching Car Alerts, and we'll see you in the next video.